Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar levels. Diabetes can be caused by two reasons: insulin deficiency and insulin resistance. Now let us discuss the link between insulin and blood sugar levels. Your body needs energy, which it gets from glucose. To use glucose, it needs to enter your cells. This is where insulin comes in. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. And when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, glucose can't get into cells, which increases blood sugar levels. Alternatively, even if enough insulin is produced, the cells of the body may become resistant to it, which can prevent glucose entering the cells. Over time, the pancreatic beta cells that make insulin can wear out and lead to high blood sugar levels. To lower blood sugar levels, we can either increase insulin production and decrease insulin resistance, or reduce the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Today, I will introduce a herbal medicine that affects all these mechanisms and lowers your blood sugar. The positive thing about this plant is that, fortunately, this plant has been the subject of many studies which have confirmed its ability to effectively lower blood sugar levels. Before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The herbal remedy with the most evidence for effectiveness in the treatment of diabetes is fenugreek. Fenugreek is a plant that has many health benefits, especially fenugreek seeds can help lower your blood sugar. Fenugreek seeds contain a variety of compounds that can control diabetes while acting on different mechanisms. Number 1. Fenugreek seeds can reduce the rate of glucose absorption by containing high levels of fiber. Fiber helps to slow down digestion and absorption of glucose in the intestines, leading to a slower and more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in people with diabetes. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds delay gastric emptying, which prevents a rise in blood glucose levels after a meal. Gastric emptying is the process by which food contents leave the stomach and enter the duodenum. Diabetes patients have rapid gastric emptying, resulting in high blood sugar spikes after meal. Number 3. Fenugreek seeds may improve insulin sensitivity, and when insulin sensitivity is high, the body cells use glucose more effectively, leading to lower blood sugar levels. Number 4. Fenugreek also aids in weight loss, reduces the risk of heart disease, and has anti-inflammatory properties, all of which are effective in lowering blood sugar levels. Before we get into the studies, could you please like the video and subscribe to our channel to help support us? We really appreciate it. Several studies have all shown that fenugreek seeds can improve most of the metabolic symptoms associated with prediabetes, type 1 and type 2 diabetes by lowering blood glucose levels and improving glucose tolerance. In one study from India, the addition of 100 grams of defatted fenugreek powder to the daily diet of patients with type 1 diabetes was found to significantly decrease fasting blood glucose levels, improve glucose tolerance, and also reduce total cholesterol and triglycerides. In another study from the UK, adding 15 grams of fenugreek powder to a meal for people with type 2 diabetes reduced their blood sugar levels after eating. A second study also from the UK found that taking 2.5 grams of fenugreek powder twice a day for 3 months reduced blood sugar levels in people with mild but not severe type 2 diabetes. Another study found that pre-diabetic people who took 10 grams of fenugreek powder daily for 3 months saw a decrease in the conversion of pre-diabetes to diabetes and a decrease in blood sugar levels. One of the most important benefits observed with fenugreek seeds was an increase in sperm and testosterone levels in diabetic patients. This suggests that fenugreek may be useful in treating sexual dysfunction in diabetic men. So fenugreek is a natural supplement that can help lower blood sugar levels. But there are some things to consider when taking it. Here are 4 tips to keep in mind. Number 1. Fenugreek may interact with some blood sugar lowering drugs, so it's important to talk with a doctor before using it if you're taking medications for diabetes. Number 2. Some studies suggest that fenugreek may cause contractions in the uterus, so pregnant women should avoid taking fenugreek. Number 3. Phenugreek should also be avoided during breastfeeding, as it may not be safe in larger quantities. Number 4. Phenugreek can affect the absorption of oral medications, so it's best not to take it within an hour of taking your medications. Side effects. Phenugreek is generally considered safe, but there are some mild side effects that may occur. These can include gastrointestinal upset, such as diarrhea, headache, and dizziness, as well as the possibility of allergic reactions.